Good morning, kids. Today we will do exercise number 3.2, question 2. Students, here we will find estimated sum and actual sum both. First of all, just observe the numbers which you are given. 232 plus 312 plus 78. One by one we will take the numbers, we will round it off and we will add the numbers. First number is 232. We have to rounding off nearest tens place. That's why we will underline the tens place digit. We will observe the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is less than 5, here digit 2 is less than 5. That's why digit in the ones place will not change. So we will write 3 as it is and 2 will be as it is because we are doing nothing with the 100 place digit. That's why 2 will remain same. 3 will not change as digit in the ones place is less than 5 and the digit in the ones place will become 0. So our rounded off number is 230. Next number 312. Dear students, here 100 place digit will remain same because we are doing nothing with it. Underline the digit is to be rounded off. Tens place digit is 1. Observe the ones place. Here also the digit in the ones place is 2, means less than 5. That's why digit in the tens place will remain same. So 1 will remain 1 only and 2 will become 0. So our rounded off number is 310. Here number 78 is a 2-digit number. Here digit in the tens place will be underlined. Observe the ones place. Here digit 8 is on the ones place, means it is bigger than 5. That's why as per the rule of rounding of the numbers, the digit in the tens place will increase by 1, means we will add 1 to the number 7 and 7 plus 1 it becomes 8. So on behalf of 7 we will write 8 on the tens place and ones place digit will become 0. So our rounded off number is 80. Now we will add all these 3 rounded off numbers, label the places ones, tens and 100, arrange the numbers in a proper column, number below number, and simple addition we all know, and our answer is 620. So students, this answer is called estimated sum. Why estimated? Because you were given this number and we have rounded off and then we have added. That's why it is called estimated sum. And to find actual sum, here we have made the columns of ones, tens and 100, arranged the numbers below numbers and simply added the numbers. Answer is 622. This is called actual sum. I hope this is clear. Now question 3. Find the solution by rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. Also find out their actual sums. Dear students, these are the what kind of problems? For that we will write statements first, and here in this question we have to find both the answers by rounding off, means estimated sums and actual sums also. We will start with question 3a. In a zoo, Jessie counted 367 white ducks. Her sister Towlin counted 462 brown ducks. How many ducks did Jessie and Towlin count in all? Start with the statements. Number of white ducks is equal to 367. Number of brown ducks is equal to 462. And what is to be found? Total number of ducks is equal to question mark. Right? Now, first of all, we will round off the numbers. First number is 367. Students, this is a 3-digit number. We have to rounding off the numbers nearest tens place. So here tens place digit is 6. Tens place digit is 6. So underline the digit is to be rounded off. Observe the ones place. Digit is 7, right? So if the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the tens place will increase by 1. Means we will add 1 to the given number 6. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now 7 will become 0 and 3 will be as it is, because this is a 100 place and we are not doing anything with digit 3. So our rounded off or estimated number is 370. Next number is 462. Here also 100 plus digit will be remain same. We will rounding off the tens place digit 6. So underline the digit 6. Observe the ones place digit is 2. Here 2 is less than 5. That's why digit in the tens place will not change. Means 6 will remain 6 only and 2 will become 0. Means ones place digit will become 0. So our rounded off number is 460. These numbers are called rounded off or estimated numbers. Now we will add these numbers to find total number of ducks. Numbers we will arrange ones, tens and hundreds. First number is 370. Second number is 460. By simple addition we found answer 830. This is called estimated sum. Why estimated sum? Because we have used this rounded off or estimated numbers and we have added. That's why this is called estimated sum. And for actual sum we will add both the given numbers 367 plus 462. 7 plus 2 9, 6 plus 2 6 plus 6 12, 2 will down, 1 carry over, 1 plus 3 plus 4 8. So by simple addition our answer is 829. This is called actual sum. Now we will write final statement. Total number of ducks is equal to 829. This number is called actual number of ducks and estimated total number of ducks is equal to 830 as we have found here. B1. Tamanna and her friends are going on a trip to Shimla. Shimla is 467 kilometers away from the town. They also plan to visit Bhaut, located 68 kilometers away from Shimla. How many kilometers do they need to travel in all? First we will start with the statement. Distance of Shimla from their town is equal to 467 kilometers. Distance of Bhaut from Shimla is equal to 68 kilometers. Now total number of kilometers is equal to question mark because this is to be find. First we will start with the rounding of the numbers or estimating the numbers. 467. Here 4 will become as it is. 6 digit in the tens place will be underlined. Observe the ones place digit. Ones place digit is 7. 7 is more than 5. That's why as per the rule digit in the tens place will increase by 1. Means 6 plus 1 will become 7 and 7 will become 0. 470 is a rounded off or estimated number. Now next number is 68. Here also 6 is the digit in the tens place is to be rounded off. Underline the digit. Observe the digit in the ones place. 8 is more than 5. That's why the digit in the tens place will increase by 1. Means 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 8 will become 0. So estimated number or rounded off number is 7070. Now we have two estimated numbers 470 and 70. Now we will add the estimated numbers to find total distance. 470 plus 70, simple addition, we have found answer 540. This is called total estimated distance. 540 kilometers and actual distance is equal to 535 kilometers. So final statement will be total number of kilometers is equal to 535 and estimated distance or kilometers is equal to 540. I hope this part is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.